Chicken and pea risotto, breaking all the rules. Who cares? We're cooking at home. It's a fantastic meal on the table. It's creamy, full of flavour. Got the chicken, the risotto, rice, the peas, everything. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to break every risotto rule there is. But we're going to make a proper creamy risotto. Anybody can make this and it is fantastic. Okay, it's a different take on a risotto and it obviously you're breaking every rule. We're going to use a can of chicken soup, condensed soup, and I've got good old risotto rice, carnaroli rice, which we're using today. You can use arborio rice if you want. This gives, in my opinion, a better texture in your risotto. Okay, but that's my choice. Use either or. Okay, and we got a couple of chicken breasts, some stock, onion, peas, parmesan, a little bit of black pepper and butter. This is going to be a fantastic creamy risotto, breaking all the rules. But you know, we're cooking at home. Let's use what we can do. Come on. I've got a couple of chicken breasts here, just defrosted. So we're just going to cube those up. Now, because we're making a nice little risotto dish, we don't want huge chunks of chicken. In fact, I don't want that either. We don't want huge chunks of chicken in our dish. So we're just going to cube it up nice and steady, about bite-sized pieces actually. They're going to be easy to cook, easy to eat. So that's our cubed chicken ready to go. In here I have chicken stock made up, and we're going to take our tin of soup and we're going to stir it into there. So in there with your condensed chicken soup. Whisk until smooth. And as you can see, there ain't much chicken. That's it, we'll be stuck to that whisk. Okay, come on, let's get cooking. Bring in a pan, in there, butter. I'm going to cook off our chicken, a little bit of colour. Don't have to brown it up too much, but we're going to be cooking it through, or cooking it most of the way through. I'm going to finish in here, so it doesn't matter. In there with your chicken. Start giving it a cook. Fabulous. I'm not recommending using any salt at all in this dish. Okay, we're using that soup, we're using chicken stock, it's got salt in, we're going to be putting parmesan in. I'm just going to go in here with just a little bit of pepper to cook on there with that chicken. Now if you like salt and pepper, add whatever you like. I would recommend not using salt for this dish. You can always add when you finish if you want it more salty. Now the good thing by cooking the risotto like this, the rice and that, you know, counter against the salt, and this won't be a salty dish. It'll be balanced. So a little cook on there, a little golden on there, tinges on there, be fantastic. What I will say with this dish, this is a really easy cook. You'll see as we cook, it's a really easy cook, and it puts a real high quality meal on the table. Okay, we got a little tinge going on in there with the onion. About 3 or 4 minutes. You don't have to colour this, we want to soften it. Don't cook too high and give it a little stir. In there with your garlic, a little 30 seconds on there, stir it in there with your rice. coat it up. I give it a little bit of a toasting in there. In there, white wine. Now, white wine is optional, okay? If you've got it, use it. If you haven't got it, don't open a bottle for that amount. If you're going to drink the white wine with the risotto, open the white wine. Okay, that's bubbled off, look. Nothing left in there. Now, what we're going to do is add the soup mixture a ladle at a time until it's absorbed. So it's just a case of nice and steady, let that soup stock mixture be absorbed into the rice. So as soon as it takes it in, we keep adding a ladle. It's exactly the same as making any risotto. Okay, you would just cook it off. Now when it's fully absorbed all our stock soup mixture, if it feels too thick, you go in with a little bit of boiling water just to loosen it up. Now the thing is with this dish as well, if you wanted a mushroom risotto, you could use mushroom soup. It just gives a more earthy flavour, but it's chicken for today. Okay, we got a couple of ladles left there. So we've been cooking probably about 12 minutes tops. In there, your frozen peas. Stir those through, and then we're going to carry on with the ladles. See, it's thickening up beautifully in there. Nice and creamy. Not very good Italian accent, but there you go. Now what you're looking to achieve with this risotto rice is soft, but with a tiny bit of bite in the inside. Okay, you don't want it completely mush like a rice pudding. Now we're going to go a little bit further, and we're going to stir some parmesan in and some butter. Oh, that's looking sensational. We want to be adding some parmesan in there. Now I'm going to keep a little bit to go over mine at the end. We're going to get the parmesan in. I'm going to stir some butter in. Oh, that smells off the charts. Oh yeah. And we want to be stirring a good tablespoon and a half of butter in there. Oh, that is sensational. In there, a bit of parsley. Stir it in, serve it up. Come on. That is incredible. A little bit of extra parmesan, a little bit of parsley. Oh, there we have it. Look at that. That is sensational. In there, a little bit of chicken, a bit of rice. Oh, come on. That is absolutely fabulous. Oh, it's nice, it's creamy. We got the parmesan in there, look. Our chicken is soft, it's juicy. That is a fantastic chicken and pea risotto. Really, really fabulous meal. A nice Italian restaurant style meal. Chicken and pea risotto. So there you go, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make chicken and pea risotto, breaking all the rules. Who cares? We're cooking at home. It's a fantastic meal on the table. It's creamy, full of flavour, got the chicken, the risotto, rice, the peas, everything. Bang on. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Oh, and we'll catch you in the next video. That is amazing.